Right now I feel like a bird caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me. So much joy and revelry. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile, I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the cage bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Let her fly, 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 for the whole world to see.